Now we'll do English language workbook, page number 68. Okay, it's written here, prepositions, chapter 10. It's written here, A. Mr. Das is confused. He does not know which preposition to use. Help him to fill in the blanks with the prepositions from the box. So we have to help Mr. Das here to fill in the preposition in these blanks. Okay, first one. The boy is dash the tree. So where's the boy? Behind the tree. Next one. Second, the girl stood dash her parents. So you can see parents are here and the girl is between her parents. Next one, number 3. The ball is dash the stool. So where it is? It is under the stool. Next one. 4th, the eggs are dash the nest and the bird is dash the nest. So the eggs are in the nest and the bird is near the nest. Next one, I stood dash the mirror. So it will be in front of the mirror. Next one, the cup is dash the table. So where's the cup? It's on the table. Next one, mother baked a cake dash me. It is for me. Next page, page number 69. Here it's written B. Chuk Chuk train is heading to Green Station. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. You may use the words more than once. Okay. So here we have Chuk Chuk train leaves. It will be from the Orange Station. The journey, it will be again from the Orange Station. It will be to the Green Station will not take long. Next one, the children standing by the trees wave at Chuk Chuk. The dogs will be by the huts wag their tails when they see Chuk Chuk. Chuk Chuk then goes into a tunnel. It is very dark there. Chuk Chuk is brave. Next one, she is not scared to go into the tunnel. Chuk Chuk comes out of the tunnel. The sun above smiles at her. The clouds above smiles at her too. At last she has reached the Green Station. Page number 70. It's written here, C. Pinky wrote a letter and posted it. Choose the correct preposition and circle it in the following sentences. Okay, 2 options are there. From there we have to take the correct one. Okay. First one, we have here, Pinky wrote a letter by to her grandfather. So circle, there will be 2. Next one, she put the letter from in an envelope. So it will be in an envelope. Next one, she wrote her grandfather's address on to the envelope. It will be on the envelope. Next one, she stuck a stamp up on the envelope. It will be on the envelope. She went above to the letter box by into the side of the road. So it will be she went to the letter box by the side of the road. Next one, the letter box was between the 2 trees. So here it will be the letter box was between the 2 trees. She wanted to drop the letter into above the box. It will be into the box. Next one, she came behind in front of the letter box and looked up between. So it will be she came in front of the letter box and looked up. Okay. Next one, she found an opening. She dropped the letter from into the box. It will be she dropped the letter into the box. Pinky heard it fall down on. So Pinky heard it fall down. Here it's written, draw the letter box where Pinky posted the letter. So here you have to draw a letter box. Okay, now we'll do page number 71. It's written here D. Here are a few sentences. Do you see something wrong with them? Look carefully at the underlined words. If there is anything wrong, strike out the wrong word and write the correct one below it. You can choose the correct word from this box. So we have to take help from this box. Okay, the first one. The lizard climbed out the wall to reach the fan. So underline one, we have to cut it, and here we have to write here instead of up, it's written here out, we will write here up. Okay. Next one, the bus was traveling out Cuttack above Bhubaneswar. So we will cut here out, we will write here from Cuttack, and above we'll cut and write here to Bhubaneswar. Okay. Next one, the ripe mango fell above near me. So it will cut this one and we have to write here down near me. Ravi could see the river up when he was flying in the helicopter. So up we have to cut, and here we have to write below when he was flying in the helicopter. Next one, the mouse ran behind the hole when it saw the cat. So you have to cut behind and you have to write here into the hole. Okay, into the hole. Next one, the cloud from the mountains are grey. So cut from, and here we have to write above the mountains are grey. Next one, the train was passing for the river. So it will be cut for, and here we have to write here by the river. Last one, the frog jumped off the pool. It will be frog jumped, I've cut it into the pool. Page number 72. Here it's written E. Draw with the help of these prepositions. So okay, first one, a spoon in this cup. So we have to draw a spoon in this cup. So a spoon like this, half you can draw. Okay. Next one we have here a candle on this cake. So on. Draw a candle. Okay. Next one, a mouse under the chair. So here we can draw a mouse. Next one, the sun behind the tree. So behind half you have to show, okay, not the full thing. Next one, a ball in front of the dog. So ball will be here in front of the dog. An apple between the grapes and the mango. So in between we have to draw one apple. Next one, an eraser near the pencil. So draw. Next one, a cat below the table, not under, okay, below. Okay, next one, a cat up the stairs. So I'm drawing it here. It's very easy to draw. Okay, next one, a dog down the stairs. Okay, next page, we have here page number 73. It's written here, F, comprehension. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. A river is very important for us. It gives us water for drinking, cooking, cleaning and washing. The birth and journey of a river is very interesting. The mountain top are covered with snow. When the sun above the mountains shines, the snow on top of the mountains melts. The water from the snow flows down from the mountains. It flows by rocks and pebbles. As it flows, it carries with it some of the rocks and pebbles. From the mountains, it flows into the plains, forming a river. As the river flows, the rocks and pebbles break into smaller pieces and thus soil is formed. From the plains, the river flows into the sea. Here, its journey ends. So here we have fill in the blanks. First one, the dash on top of the mountains melts. So it will be a snow. Second one, from the mountains, the water flows into the dash forming a dash. Here it will be plains forming a river. Next one, the rocks and pebbles break into smaller pieces and dash is formed. It will be a soil. Page number 74. It's written here, B, write true or false. First one, the mountain tops are covered with snow. So it will be a true. Next one, from the sea, the river flows into the mountains. It's false. Next one, the snow on the mountain tops melts because of the sea. False. Next one here, C, answer the following questions. First one, what is river water used for? River water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning and washing. Next one, what does the water collect from the mountains as it flows down? As the water flows down the mountains, it collects rocks and pebbles. Next one, where does the journey of the river end? The journey of the river ends in the sea. Now here we have D. Make your own sentences with the following words. First one, mountains. He lives deep in the mountains. Next one, rocks. The river flows by the rocks. Last one, sea. Swimming in the sea is great fun. So I hope children you know how to do all these pages. If not, you can watch my video once again. Till then, bye and take care.